Samji test le thari nonse the brunch sagale dana la chala that was drink lu the laminate resha the brunch see the tumbu jo the saya phangya resha tin phamla kuch brunch ikta na manjo ki dessert din zo ning ja ji go wow wow oh ning ja ji the dessert 아니 다른 인가 샬라처라 디젤이랑 짐도야래도다 상상지 깡레셔 먼저 thank you 감사합니다 터제나 먼저 다나기 the sauce special 수그레 다나라 the sauce 가스게나
the hollandaise sauce
알레
eggs benedict
oh okay kind of french
this is the main french tamale like I think I don't know I think it was created like in a hotel in Astoria.
oh
The Waldorf Astoria. Yeah, it's supposed to be hungover breakfast, so it's very heavy with butter.
oh okay this 상마 말데다
No, it's actually this the martes mi show mare.
말이요 말아
So it's egg yolks.
oh egg yolk
Yeah, egg yolks. Suluwa.
okay let's say wow so we'll be eating all these people
The eggs. Okay.
That's the
The eggs Florentine. The vegetarian. Dinzidol.
oh $10 special
Dinzidol vegetarian.
okay wow 방어즈 브런치 레타리 कुछ दानला दी देशे जिक्योनो ना शाला नागा डाम में दो फंदी करा आवाकर
Avocado toast. I think of the
रे
appetizer. That's burrata peach salad. And that's shrimp.
reda
Yeah, shrimp boat.
wow penning jo dep
Asparagus with Parmesan. Okay, you saucy go.
okay that's okay everything looks good 타랑아 디랄레게 도우다 잉글랜드 셔라 아니 프랑스 도울 콘저기 샬라든지 딘데 샤기다 let's have tea len 인지 딘저기 what in the do우다 so look at all this dessert
So that's brunch and high tea together.
brunch and high tea together look at this decoration omg there. Thank you for feeding us.
Oh, you're welcome.
On the chef Reda, the chef did see the hati there. Don't worry, I can do it. I watch your YouTube video, so this is amazing. The brunch goes to the chef Tojena for having us.
You're welcome.
And look at all this fish. As not to check some na.
The Tochena.
And as you had a Tojena. 자, 얘기 플레이트 디디레 당아 데시다 당아 아사야 고스니 macaroons. Let's eat. Everybody enjoy your brunch.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Ajal hadula shala nyewunango.
Tochena.